Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime. So to do so, let's get straight into the video. So to schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime, all you need to do is simply tap open your Amazon Chime app. So once you tap it open, you need to now tap on schedule. Once you do so, you need to now simply tap on the schedule option once again, and after doing this, you need to now simply choose a method to complete the action. Here I have chosen calendar. Now simply add a title and you can set a date, location, kind of attachment and informations according to your wish, and then hit the save button. After you do this, your meeting has now been scheduled, so make sure to send it to your invitees as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.